Hello everyone. Today I will speed optimize this restaurant website using a free plugin called Autoptimize. So let's see the full design of this website. It contains lots of beautiful sections. So first log in to the WordPress dashboard. You should take a backup of your website before taking any steps. Then go to Appearance Theme Settings. If you find any extra themes here, then delete your all unused themes. It will save your hosting server resource. Then go to the Plugins section and do the same thing here. Delete all used plugins. Use less plugin as possible. Then click Add New button. Then type Autoptimize in the search bar. You can see 1 million active installations, and this plugin was updated 4 weeks ago. So click Install Now button. It will take some time. Then activate the plugin. You can go to the plugin from Settings, then Autoptimize, or directly go from here. Here you can see the plugin dashboard. You will find options to optimize HTML, CSS and JS files. First we will do some basic settings that will work for all websites. On the JavaScript section, click Optimize JavaScript code. Then on the CSS section, click Optimize CSS code. Then scroll below. On HTML section, click Optimize HTML code, then click Save Settings and Empty Cache. Check your website on incognito mode, and see all element is showing perfectly or not. If it's working fine, then go to the further settings. Website hosting is one of the most important things to get better speed. Hostinger Hosting comes with an affordable price plan with great service as well. On the premium plan they offer a free domain as well. You can choose the right plan for you from here. On the JavaScript section, click Aggregate JS Files. It will combine your all JS files into one. Then click also Aggregate Inline JS. In Exclude Script section you can exclude any JS files if needed. I will exclude only jQuery.min JS file here. Then move to the CSS section and click Aggregate CSS Files. It will combine your all CSS files into one. Then click Inline All CSS. Remove Unused CSS feature is only available on the paid plan of Autoptimize. So click on Save Settings and empty the cache again. Now check your website on incognito mode. For me, all elements are showing fine. If any element or function is not working for your website, then troubleshoot and revert those last settings. Then go to the Image tab. If you are already using any image optimization plugin like Smush, then no need to do any settings here. I will use this option here. Click Image Optimization and CDN, then click Lazy Load Images. You can click this option as well to load AVIF images in the browser. Then click Save Changes. On Critical CSS tab, this is for the premium version. We will move on to Extra tab. Here on Google Font section we will select option 4 to combine and defer all fonts. Then we can remove emojis from our WordPress website. We can remove query string from our static resources. If you don't use WordPress block CSS, then you can remove it as well. Then click Save Changes. Here on Optimize More option, they will suggest you some more tools and hosting. If you want to optimize your website more, then I will suggest you to use WP Rocket plugin. It's an all-in-one plugin to optimize your website to get best possible result. Now let's check our website on GT Matrix and see how much we improve website performance. It will take some time. The score looks great for me. So you can apply all those settings of Autoptimize on your website. If you liked this video, please smash the like button and watch our other videos as well.